Waiting for Carl to run out of momentum since going down the hill. The goal, what sign? Oh, that sign, the freeway sign.
One eye while going down.
Woo! There you go. There it was.
I'd rather have that than a helmet.
Your dropper?
Because a helmet good enough for me for now.
Yeah.
But I love it. This thing didn't cost me at all.
You know, you're so lucky.
It's all for free. Do these straps hide my double chin?
We have stopped for snackage. It's pretty. It's not sanding, but. Made it up to the waterfall area. Butterfly on my back. I won't see from here. Darn it. Stop talking. Don't.
Am I gonna die?
Yes. Oh, you have a butterfly on your head. Woo!
Gary? Gary?
A little bit.
Good job. Awesome. Oh, mama! Oh! Oh! Don't! Go! 2, 3.
Hey, Mom, your watch! Your watch!
It's waterproof.
3, 2, 1.
What was that?
You gotta tread water over here. Ah, I just kicked a rock. Ah, 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 ah.
You want me to come out there?
I got a dog paddle, so I don't kick rocks. What a nice little spot.
Oh, it's heavy with quartz.
Lamb was collecting rocks. Some quartz rocks. Excellent way. We haven't quite ended our ride, but it was a nice little break there. Really beautiful.